morning. It is a pretty misty day here in the Pacific Northwest. Even though it's August, it should be much warmer out. It is very cold today. Kids are still sleeping. I was just kind of sitting there thinking about what I want to do today, and for sure need to get a lot of housework done, of course. Big family, what do you expect? And so I thought we would go through that and maybe talk a little bit, tips and tricks. I don't know. There's really no tips or tricks when it comes to big family. It's just pretty much clean when you can clean and let the kids make a mess when you don't feel like picking it up, because housework is always going to be there. So that's my tip. Housework is always going to be there. Kids are always going to need you. Just accept your fate and do what you can, and don't be so hard on yourself. Good morning. Grab your coffee. Let's just do this and not stress out, okay? So yeah, sometimes they don't feel like helping, and with the little ones, I honestly don't really force it unless they want to. The bigger girl, she definitely has chores that she has to do a lot more regularly, like emptying the dishwasher and picking up dog poop in the yard and stuff like that. But, you know, for the most part, you just gotta let kids be kids, and once they reach, I don't know, like 8, it needs to be probably a little more serious with what they're doing to help around the house. But, you know, what did my 6-year-old do? Flop herself on the couch. The 3-year-old just kind of sat there and was being crazy. But it's just guaranteed that they're going to want to know what you're up to and come check on you. And sometimes they'll offer, and great. Sometimes you gotta kind of make them do it. But whatever. You just gotta do what you gotta do. And in the end, they're going to leave, and the mess isn't going to be there anymore, and you're going to be really sad. So do what you got to do in the meantime. This is where I say like and subscribe and share and comment and all the things that you know what you're supposed to do when you think you like somebody's content. Goodbye. Oh, dang it. Oh, it's leaking out. Ugh.